Today, we're getting our first real look at the Pixel 9 Pro XL thanks to some leaked hands-on photos. These images are giving us a ton of details about what to expect from Google's upcoming flagship phone. One of the biggest takeaways from these leaks is the confirmation of a new Exynos 5400 modem inside the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is a significant upgrade from the Exynos 5300 found in the Pixel 7 and 8 series. The 5400 boasts impressive data speeds of up to 14.79 gigabits per second. While you likely won't need those kinds of speeds for everyday tasks, it does pave the way for exciting new features like Pixel Satellite Service. This feature, rumored to be coming to the Pixel 9 line, could allow you to send emergency messages even in areas without cellular service. The leaked photos also hint at a massive 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM in the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is a big jump from previous Pixel phones and puts it on par with the most powerful devices on the market. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, you can expect smooth multitasking and incredibly fast performance, even with demanding apps and games. The Pixel 9 Pro XL marks the return of the XL branding last seen on the Pixel 4 XL. This phone is expected to feature a large 6.7-inch OLED display protected by the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The display will likely boast a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is rumored to pack the next-generation Tensor G4 processor built on a foreign process. This processor should deliver significant performance improvements over the Tensor chips in previous Pixel phones. On the back, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to sport a familiar camera bar design, but with a triple sensor setup. All three sensors are rumored to be 50MP, handling wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto duties. The telephoto lens is said to offer up to 5x optical zoom, perfect for capturing those distant details. The leaked photos don't reveal the battery capacity, but rumors suggest a sizable 5050 mAh battery. This, coupled with the efficient Tensor G4 processor, should translate to excellent battery life. When it comes to charging, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is expected to support 30W wired charging, allowing you to juice up the battery to 50% in just 30 minutes. It will also likely support wireless charging speeds up to 23 watt and reverse wireless charging for sharing your power with other devices. One interesting detail gleaned from these leaks is the rumored launch date of August 13th for the Pixel 9 series. This is a significant shift from Google's previous strategy of releasing their phones in October. By launching earlier, Google can avoid going head-to-head with Apple's latest iPhones, which typically release in September. Based on these leaked photos, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is shaping up to be a powerhouse phone. It boasts a cutting-edge modem, massive RAM, a powerful processor, and a versatile camera system. The earlier launch date is also a welcome change. Of course, these are just leaks, and Google hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but they do give us a fantastic glimpse into what we can expect for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro XL so far? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16 gigabytes RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5 RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GHz. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M-series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.